Hi guys, this is Jay here. I am going to be reviewing this unboxing of a leather traveler's notebook. I ordered it off of Amazon and I paid about, what was it, probably just $20. And I think it's probably going to be a good deal on this guy here because I know a lot of people use the Midori brand or even a Chic Sparrow, which I would really like to try both of those brands out. But this was just a cost-effective, affordable piece for me to try because I didn't know if I'd like a traveler's notebook and I didn't want to invest too much into it. But it looks like, so this is what it looks like coming in. I just literally unboxed it. It looks like it has a few scuff marks and maybe watermarks on it, but I like distressed leather, so hopefully it will distress nicely and get a good patina. We'll see if that may be something it has. And then it looks like it comes with 3 different notebook inserts, like a plain page grid and a bullet type journal with these little elastics that hold it in. I've never had a traveler's notebook or traveler's journal, so I'm not really for sure exactly what all these things are called and how they lay in there. And it has a ruled one, so maybe that's 4. But I am planning on using it to document my previous travels. So I know this year nobody could really travel anywhere due to the pandemic, but I used to travel all over the world. Oh, it's a big scuff there. But one of my dreams was to always carry a sketchbook or a watercolor palette or something with me to sit in the moment and paint what I'm seeing, and I have never done that. So I'm hoping with this guy, I will at least be able to go back through some of the little ticket stubs and other little knick-knack pieces that I've picked up and kept over the years from our travels and put them in there, and then in the future start sketching and doing a few watercolors on this. Probably not on the type of paper that came with this because it didn't feel very strong and sturdy, and it came with this paper clip pen holder clip thing on here, and of course it's leather, so it's probably gonna give a little after you wear it in, but most of my pens have a grip on them, so they're having a little bit of a hard time. It's a struggle to get it in there, but I want to continue to expand into the different types of planners and journals, and I think this will be a very good start. And if I ordered this one in the red brown color, and I believe it's a 4x7. It's very slim, narrow, and I am not for sure what this piece is. Is it like a replacement for or is it a mini notebook? No, maybe, I don't know. I have no idea what it is or what I'm supposed to do with this string here. I guess it's a piece if something breaks, maybe? I don't know, the little mini leather notebook thingy looks odd. I'm not for sure what I would use that for. Unless, no, I was gonna say maybe it's meant to be another closure, but no, it looks like a little mini notebook. A little camera charm, so that's cute. I'm not for sure if I'll put that on or not. It may scuff up the leather more, so I'm not for sure. And more elastic. Okay, so that's that. And what else do I have? So the package itself came with, like, the external packaging came with a little brown elastic. So I took that off of the package and saved it, and I am going to use it on a leather, it's a Patricia Nash brand leather passport holder that a friend of mine gave me, and since, like I said, we're not traveling, I will see if it can be used on that, and I will try and convert that into a traveler's notebook. Oh, and look, it's another pocket notebook here that will go in there. So that's an extra one there. That's great. So yeah, okay, that's pretty deep gash there. It looks like this will scuff pretty well, pretty easily. But we'll see if it patinas any. So yeah, this is the passport size passport holder, and you can put your when people used to travel by plane with paper tickets, you could put them in here and fold it up, but now everybody uses the app, or at least I do. So that little elastic right there is what I pulled off of the packaging, and it fits perfectly on here. So I'm gonna try and make this into a watercolor traveler's notebook. I think that would be a really good size because it's not too big, and I won't get overwhelmed sitting out in the open trying to finish something. So I think that would be a good size there to keep with me and put it in the purse or my bag. And that's what they look like side by side, for just a side by side comparison there. But yeah, as always, guys, stay positive, stay motivated, and if you like this, please hit the like button and subscribe so you'll be notified. See you next time. Bye.